Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include parking sensors, cloth seats, rear view camera, pre-crash system, blind spot monitor, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Optima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.